Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of common questions and answers. Have you ever wondered about the most frequently asked types of questions and how to respond to them? Join us as we explore the different question types and provide you with practical insights and responses to help you navigate various scenarios. Let's get started. WH questions. These questions begin with WH words and seek more detailed information. What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York City.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 15th.
Why did you do that?
I did it because it seemed like the right thing to do at the time.
How do you bake a cake?
I bake a cake by following a family recipe passed down for generations.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
The Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci.
Informational questions. These questions are used to gather specific information. What time is it?
It's 7:30.
What's the weather like today?
It looks sunny outside.
How much does it cost?
It costs $3.
How long does it take to get to the airport from here?
It takes 15 minutes to get to the airport from here.
Who won the game?
The home team won the game 3-2.
Yes. No questions. These questions typically start with an auxiliary verb and require a simple yes or no answer. Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Can you swim?
Yes, I'm a good swimmer.
Are you coming to the party?
I'd love to, but I have a prior commitment that night.
Do you like pizza?
Absolutely, I can't resist a good pizza.
Have you finished your homework?
No, I haven't finished my homework yet.
Clarification questions. These questions seek to clarify something that is unclear or ambiguous. Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Could you explain it again?
Of course.
What do you mean by that?
What I mean is,
Are you sure about this?
yes, I'm sure.
Open-ended questions. These questions encourage longer, more detailed responses. Tell me about your weekend.
My weekend was relaxing. I spent time with friends and watched a movie.
What do you think of this book?
I really enjoyed the book. The plot was captivating.
Describe your dream vacation.
My dream vacation is a beach getaway with crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches.
How was your day?
My day was pretty good, thanks for asking.
Politeness questions. These questions are used to be polite or show consideration for the other person. Would you like some help?
Yes, I would appreciate some help, thank you. Thank you for the offer, but I'm okay for now.
Could you give me a hand with these suitcases?
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
You wouldn't mind picking me up later, would you?
Of course, I'd be happy to pick you up.
May I ask you a question?
Certainly, you may ask a question.
Could you please pass the salt?
Of course, here you go. I don't have it, but I'll grab it for you.
Tag questions. These are questions added at the end of a statement to seek confirmation or agreement. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is beautiful today.
You're coming with us, aren't you?
Yes, I'll definitely be there. I'm not sure. When and where are we going?
You like ice cream, right?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What an amazing performance, wasn't it?
Absolutely, it was an incredible performance.
Hypothetical questions. These questions explore imaginary or hypothetical scenarios. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I've heard so much about the natural beauty and traditions in Japan, and I'd love to experience it.
Rhetorical questions. These questions don't necessarily seek an answer, they are often used for effect or emphasis. Isn't it a beautiful day? Do you think I care? Who doesn't love chocolate?